Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Etsy account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Etsy account, firstly open your Etsy application. The official page of Etsy will appear on the screen. Click on the human icon on the bottom right side of the screen. Click on Settings. On the next page, tap on Manage Your Shop. Sign in to your Etsy once again. Tap on the human icon and click on Account Settings. Scroll all the way down to Close Your Account section and choose a reason for closing your account. Tap on Close Account. Confirm closing your account by entering your password associated with your Etsy account and click on Close Account once again. This is how you can delete your Etsy account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.